doesn't want to be rich? Everyone wishes they were rich and had wealth that could last well over 3 generations. It usually takes 2 generations to build wealth that will make life a luxury for the coming generations. But for most people, life is merely about moving from one paycheck to the other, clearing off debts, managing expenses, and saving up for retirement and children's education. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are talking about the top 5 reasons why most people don't get rich. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Number 1. Squirrels. Have you ever seen the movie Up? You remember the golden retriever Doug who would regularly get distracted mid-sentence by a runaway squirrel? That's the number 1 reason that most people stay broke or poor. Most people jump from business to business, career to career, idea to idea, never sticking to one thing until it's profitable. You can get rich with just about any business or commission-based career. But you have to stick with it for a long time before you'll make the money you want. Number 2. They have bad allergies. The second reason that most people will never be rich is that they have bad allergies. No. I'm not talking about peanut or seasonal allergies. I mean that they are allergic to hard work and discipline. The mere thought of waking up early, reading instead of watching TV, and devoting 3 extra hours a day to their side hustle makes them look like this. Most people don't have what it takes to be rich. They think they want wealth, but what they really want is to get higher than Snoop Dogg and sit on the couch binging Netflix. Number 3. They idolize Beavis. Have you ever seen the TV show Beavis and Butt-Head? If you have, then you might know where I'm going with this. One of the biggest reasons that people will never get rich is because they spend all of their time with buttheads. If you spend time with broke, unhappy people, that's all you'll ever be. I know that you love your friends. I get it, I really do. And this isn't to say that you can't spend time with people who aren't rich if you want to become wealthy. But you cannot spend your time with toxic, negative, poverty-minded people and expect to make any real money. Number 4. They think it's too late to start saving. While it's true that the earlier they start saving, the more wealth they create. But that does not mean they shouldn't start saving and think it's too late to create wealth. Most people are not serious about saving money while they are in their 20s. It's only during the 30s that they take saving seriously. But it's better late than never. Number 5. Becoming rich is a wish, not a priority. Sure, people keep talking about making it big in life and becoming rich by the time they reach a certain age. But just how many people do you know who make becoming rich a priority? It requires you to take active steps on cutting down unwanted expenses, clearing off debts as soon as you can, and looping plug holes where money is flowing out unnecessarily. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.